Welcome to the Anchorage Marriott. We're gonna go inside here. Hello, my name is Nick Gray. I've been staying at the Anchorage Marriott for the last 2 days. I travel all around the world to visit Marriotts and give tours of the hotels. I'm not sponsored, I pay for my own room. Let me show you what's up. By the way, look at this nice map of Alaska that is right here in the lobby. Pretty cool. The check-in lobby, I'm gonna show you my room. I'm gonna show you the gym. I'm gonna show you the pool. I'll show you the restaurants and the breakfast buffet. But first thing to notice is you're gonna come over here to get checked in. Next thing to know is there is a cafe right over here. Now this is not where breakfast is served, but this is a beautiful little cafe area that is right opposite the entrance. They have good coffee back in the back. I'll try to zoom in a little bit. And you can get a coffee back there and hang out. There's also dinner down here. My parents had dinner here last night. I will, however, say that they didn't say it was the best. It wasn't like amazing, but it was convenient. Okay, let us go now and rewind and go up to the room to last night when I first checked in. I'll meet you up in my room. Let's do a room tour. Room 1907. Let's see the room. All right, so I'll go into the bathroom in a minute. I want to peek into this here and show you the main area. Now, I gotta say, right off the bat, I'm very happy with this room. This is a standard king-size bedroom, nothing too special here. I always start my videos going to look to see what the connections are next to the king-size bed. So let me see, wow, we do have integrated USB cables, USB ports. We have another Timex, oh my Lord. I've been all around the world, and this is one of the first that I've seen with a USB-C plug. Very cool. It's nice to see the old USB style. Wow, that is a first, ladies and gentlemen. You can look at all my hotel videos. I have not seen a USB-C plug. Okay, there's a telephone down here. I heard from my sister's husband that the bed is very comfortable. He specifically liked it because it was soft. I like a firmer bed, but I'm sure the bed will be fine. Nice little seating area that's over here, as well as I appreciate this thing. I put my backpack over there. Let's take a look at the coffee options to see what we're gonna have here in the morning to drink. Now there's 2 each. I assume this will be 1 decaf and 1 regular. Our teas, we've got Earl Grey. What else? English breakfast. There's some green tea. Actually a very good selection for a Marriott hotel. That's a standard one. This hotel was not cheap, by the way. What rates are you seeing if you're looking at this? We had to pay like 60,000 points because we're here off of a cruise, and I think it was actually $500 a night, which is wild, but maybe that's how Anchorage works. Moving over to this fantastic work area with a beautiful, huge television. I'm a big fan of that television. That is a very, very good TV. Let's go take a quick peek at the bathroom and we'll take a look what's inside there. Well, I'll go ahead and look inside the closet. Will there be bathrobes? No, no bathrobes, of course not. But there is an iron and there's an ironing board. You can see that, that's back there. Let's go into the bathroom now to show you what is inside the bathroom. How many towels we got down here? We got some towels. That towel quality is not the best. But let me just check, let me double check. But it's fine. Ah, it's not so bad. Actually, it's not as bad as I thought that this towel quantity was gonna be. So, yeah, it's fine. The sink is actually really clear, much more clear. By the way, hi, my name is Nick. I film these videos just for fun, for free. I'm not sponsored. I'm obsessed with going to Marriott hotels all around the world. A little bit of hand soap here. We'll go over to the shower. Shower looks fine. Standard Marriott hotel products. You know these if you've been to a Marriott hotel before. Everything looks okay here. What I really want to show you is, hold on. Let me show you one quick thing and then we're gonna go down and I'll show you the gym and some more things. This is a book that will help you to host an event, any type of event, small sponsored section. I actually wrote this book, fun fact, that's my name at the bottom, Nick Gray. And the book is very easy to read. It will give you a step-by-step guide of how to host a party.
So if you want to know how to host a housewarming party, a networking event, a company happy hour, it lists the exact scripts of how to invite people, how to write these things called guest bios. Why should you listen to me? I hosted hundreds of events in New York City. I travel all around the world and I have to meet people in every city. And every single thing that I learned, I put into this book. Here's my suggestion. Just look it up on Amazon or on Audible. It has over 400 reviews. It's a very good book. Check it out. And I promise you won't be disappointed. It's a good book. Okay, back to the hotel. Let's go down to the gym. And then soon I'm going to go to bed and I will show you the breakfast tomorrow morning. We're going to walk into the elevator now to head down so I can show you what the gym looks like. We're staying here because I just came off of a cruise. My name is Nick, I think I told you that. I do cruise videos as well. I do these cruise walkthroughs and it drops off in, I think, Seward, and then we have to come to Anchorage. By the way, you must go to the Anchorage Museum. I went there today. I used to work with museums. The Anchorage Museum is so well done, not sponsored. Legitimately liked it. Do this though, walk the whole floor plan. Don't get stuck on the third floor like I did. All right, opening up. The pool, I think, is out this way. Let me show you. Fantastic waters that we have over here. This is nice. The pool and the gym are back this way. I'll show you where everything is. Hello. I'm gonna walk you down this way. It's all the way down here. A bit of a drab hotel kind of hallway, right? But that's kind of how it is. And where is it? Nope, not there. Right over here. Well, it looks like somebody's in this one. So I'll show you the pool first. Let's just take a look at the pool. I'll show you the pool, a quick look. There's the shower for the pool. And then it's pretty simple. There is no hot tub, so it is just a normal pool setup. But it's nice. You can see you can swim laps in the back over there. And the water temperature is very, very warm. Well, we're looking here inside of the gym. Even though, guys, working out, I'm just gonna give you an idea of what is inside. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 treadmills, 1, 2, 3 ellipticals, some free weights, and I have an idea. Let me film it when I come back in the morning. Hopefully nobody's there. I'll give you a better look at it, and I'm gonna show you the breakfast. Stay tuned. The breakfast is located in here, the Café Promenade. The location of the breakfast, by the way, that is the check-in, and then you have to come to the breakfast, which is back here. It's actually pretty good. I'm surprised to tell you that they have reindeer sausage and a very nice omelet station. I'll show you a little bit about what is included in the breakfast. You can see here for $24, you get all of these things. But let me take you inside now, and I'll show you what's on the breakfast buffet. I love going to a hotel to have a huge breakfast. It's one of my favorite parts. And then when I go there, I like to eat omelets, but I'll show you what they have. Here's the omelet station. You can see this guy's making omelets. There's a granola area over here. You can see some bread is set up over at this area. Nice bread setup where you can toast your bread. There's a fruit station, and I want to note that because we're in Alaska, they have really good salmon. Look at the salmon quality. Perhaps better than most other hotels' salmon. Then they have these things. Now the one thing that I noticed was they have, look at this, reindeer sausage right over here. Oh, pardon me, sorry about that. Okay, reindeer sausage and the omelet station. I'm gonna get started and I'll go have my breakfast. I'll show you what I'm eating too, by the way. Wave now, you wanna say wave? There's my parents, hello to my parents, hello Dad. Here's my breakfast, I'll show you. I got some eggs, hash browns, reindeer sausage, salmon, and an omelet. Stay tuned. Well, I'm checking out now from the Marriott here in Anchorage. I'll give you a little recap on how I thought about it, but thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, give me a like or tell me when you're coming here. I'd love to read those comments. Have a great trip.